Good morning, guys. This is Katie. It is the last day of term and we are heading into school. Right, so it is the last day of term and I'm only just checking in now because it has been such a busy morning already. It is 10 o'clock. The kids have just gone to break and they have languages, so I do have a free period to tidy up and get stuff ready for the holidays. It's a half day today, so I can't complain. Had a lovely assembly this morning, had some awards, had a few little performances. It was really nice. Then the kids opened their secret Santas. I've got some lovely gifts off the children, which I'm going to actually put under my tree and open on Christmas Day, because that is one nice thing to do. And then we watched a movie and had the leftover snacks. Let me just show you this mess. My kids are wonderful, but they are very messy children. I mean, they're children. I appreciate they're children, but this needs to be sorted. So I'm going to tidy this stuff away, give this to the maids, because the kids have got languages, then they go to lunch and they go home. So let's try and get this room into some form of order. Anyone else's book corner look like this by Christmas? Right guys, it is the end of the day. I am heading home. It's actually only 12:30. It wasn't too bad. Managed to get the children home quickly and sensibly. And yeah, it's home time. I've got quite a few gifts with me, which is really lovely. I'm going to put them under my tree. And I think me and Callum are going to go out, and he's going to get his hair cut, I think, and then we might go and have a little coffee and a little sandwich somewhere, maybe probably Starbucks, maybe a coffee club, I'm not sure. We're going to have a nice relaxing afternoon because I'm really tired. Yeah, that's the plan. Right, it is now like nearly 2 o'clock. We are in Century Mall, which is like near Onnut. It's near Onnut BTS. This is where Cam gets his haircut. And it has lots of like little restaurants in it. And it also has a shop downstairs, like a supermarket. So I'm going to pick up a few bits and bobs I need and I'll show you as I go. There seems to be a theme to these December Vlogmas videos. Katie goes shopping. Anything from here, but I always want to go in here. Right. Something I am looking for though. Have you ever seen a better sight than all of these? I love a stationery shop. So I don't come to this shop as much. I normally just get like a Villa Market delivery, but there's lots of exciting stuff, guys. I'm getting distracted. I actually do have a shopping list of a few things I actually need to get, so just gotta get on with it. So they have these little like cups with footballs at the bottom. I thought Callum might like that. You can get your chocolates here as well. Your gift boxes. You can get Toblerone here. I will say, obviously, this is probably a bit more expensive than it is in the UK. Oh, they have crunch bars though. Crunchy bars. Oh, love these. This looks kind of interesting. Truffle mayo. I kind of want to try it. Yes, let's try it. Don't know what we're going to put it with, but let's try it. And I might also get some garlic mayo, because I love garlic mayo. go, they've got Waitrose here. They have a Toblerone cheesecake. Oh, I'm so tempted. Well, there was lots of lovely stuff in there. I did pick up quite a few things. I'm gonna go meet Callum and go get some lunch. So we are heading to a little Japanese restaurant which is in this mall for lunch. We haven't been here before, but every time I see it, I'm tempted to try it. So we sit down and just have a small little lunch. They have a lunch menu here, and you can get sashimi and sushi here. But we decided to stick to a few different dishes that we haven't tried before. But I think the restaurant is really lovely. It looks very Japanese. Like the walls are wooden. I just thought it's a really nice little restaurant. So we actually went for some yakitori chicken skewers. We had a beer because they have like a half price happy hour deal. So we had a nice little beer with our lunch, which was a nice treat for the end of the year, like the end of the term. We had some eel, so I kind of like eel. Like I didn't think I liked it, really liked this, it was nice. Callum had some oysters. He loves these fresh oysters that you can get in Thailand with this green seafood sauce. I also had these, they kind of like spring rolls, but they're full of cheese. I have had these before in a different Japanese restaurant and I love them. Here they were fantastic. They had herbs in them as well. They were great. And then obviously we had our yakitori chicken skewers. So that was a nice little lunch to have with Callum at this wonderful little restaurant here in On Nut. Right, I'm home now, guys. Had such a lovely day with the kids today. Lots of fun like games. They opened their Secret Santa. It was just a really nice day. And we finished at 12 o'clock, had a lovely lunch with Callum, and now we're back home, ready to relax. We're going to order in tonight and chill out for the evening. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I shall see you tomorrow for another Vlogmas. Take care, guys.